Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily create an invoice in Xero. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be of course in Xero, and then just click here on business, and you're gonna see invoices here, right? Click on it. Now you have option to choose, like, click on new invoice. This arrow looking down, not the arrow, but click on new invoice or new repeating invoice. It's like really up to you. Let's click on a new invoice, or you can create a credit note. When I'm going to create a new invoice, I have option to choose who is it for. So you just write here the contact if you have created, or you can add a new contact. So I got like Smart Agency here. I get a reference if I want to, and I have an invoice number that's automatically added. Before we continue, what I also recommend is going to the three dots and click on invoice settings on the right top corner and set up your standard template of your invoice. And what I recommend, also add their terms and payment advice. What do you want to actually have in your invoice? Show text of totals by, logo alignment, so you can actually edit how the invoice is looking like, right? That's really important. Now, when you got it, you can simply add items here that I already have in demo company. I have the price here, accounts that I have here. So really simple. Currency, you can manage online payments, how people can pay you. And you can also attach files here. And you have the branding theme here for a special project, a very orange invoice. And as you can see, that's these three. And you can actually like create your new branding theme that is going to be like that, right? So you can actually like preview now. So, okay, this is how it looks like. We got from, this is us, to Smart Agency with these two items. Now what you can do is to simply send it or attach files, add note here. You can also switch to classic invoicing or normal invoicing. That's like really up to you, but you can also get the link here. And now when I would like open it, let's wait. See, they can simply pay now. And then they would pay with PayPal directly. And this is how you can simply create invoice in Xero. And now we get like PDF here. And look how it looks like. Amazing, right? So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And this is how you can create invoice in Xero. Goodbye and see ya. If you have any questions, ask me down below.